We're at Cache Creek, California. We got the bonus.
When you're ready.
Let's go. Let's see what we get.
Here we
5
go.
cents, $1.50 a bet. Thumbs up, guys. Oh, don't do this to me. Really? Come on, give me something good. There we go. Get off the screen. Give me upgrade. Upgrade. Give me a red. Come on. Come on, get something. Come on. Kill it. Alright, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Hopefully get something going on. Got a lot of green, but no upgrade. There we go. Got an
Great
upgrade.
tickets. Let's get that train upgraded.
Save it. Come on. Don't lose me. Save it. Yeah, stop.
Let's get these trains rolling.
Let's see what we get.
Hold on.
Big number. Right, low number. That's it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, more going on.
Keep them coming.
Keep on coming.
Let's see
Thumbs
what
up,
you
guys.
won.
So we get
Big win.
how much did I win? Let's see. Oh, not bad. $60 for about